Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Diesel Fuel Filter Set with Water Separator. This diesel fuel filter set works exclusively for the Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon from 2016 to 2021 when equipped with the 2.8 liter Duramax diesel engine. What this diesel fuel filter set with water separator does is it screens out dirt, rust, and other particles from the fuel before entering the system on your vehicle. And should those contaminants run through your engine, serious damage could occur, not only to the injectors, but even the engine itself. And over time, while this is part of your scheduled maintenance, should you be having fuel pressure issues or hesitation while accelerating, you may consider replacing your filters. While this replacement fuel filter set with water separator is not a genuine OEM part, they do have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as they were designed to be a direct replacement. However, this set comes with all brand new O-rings, and these filter elements have been redesigned for maximum filtration. With the right tools, you may be able to install these yourself. However, make sure these are depressurized with fuel and completely drained prior to replacing, and then repressurize for a few minutes before starting once you're done. Should you not pressurize, there could be major starvation issues, and you could end up damaging your engine upon start. If you have any questions about this replacement diesel fuel filter set with water separator, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.